To make this even thicker, I've now taken the middle sandwich piece and then sandwiched another piece over the top of it. And I'm going to try to stick that in there and see what that does. And that seems like it's done the trick now. No longer making noise. I just wonder if the bezel will hide that well enough that I can put this thing back on. And this just secures on with these locking tabs. No, it would still show. And although I'm the only one who's ever going to know that that's there, I'm going to fix it. But I think this is the answer to my problem.